Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? In this beginner's guide to making extra money with a side hustle, we will walk you through 5 actionable steps to start making money today. No matter what your age or experience level, this guide will provide you with all the tools you need to turn your passion into profit. We will discuss everything from choosing the right side hustle for you to taking action and seeing results. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey towards financial success with our easy-to-follow guide. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your passion. Before diving into any side hustle, it is important to find something that you are passionate about. This will make it easier to stay motivated and committed to your new venture. Consider your hobbies, interests, and skills when choosing a side hustle. For example, if you love writing, consider starting a blog or offering freelance writing services. If you enjoy cooking, you could start a catering business or offer private cooking classes. Think about what you enjoy doing and how you can turn it into a profitable business. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. You never know what you might discover about yourself and the world around you. By exploring your passions, you will not only increase your chances of success in your side hustle, but also gain a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction along the way. Step 2. Do your research. Once you have found a side hustle that interests you, it is important to do your research. This will help you better understand the industry, competition, and potential profitability of your chosen venture. Research will also help you develop a solid plan for your side hustle, which is essential for success. To conduct thorough research, start by gathering information about your chosen industry. Learn about the latest trends, growth opportunities, and any challenges or obstacles you may face. Next, analyze your competition. Identify their strengths and weaknesses and determine how you can differentiate yourself from the competition. This will help you attract more customers and stand out in a crowded market. Finally, assess the profitability of your side hustle idea. Calculate the startup costs, ongoing expenses, and potential revenue to determine whether it is a viable option for you. By conducting comprehensive research, you will be well equipped to make informed decisions and increase your chances of success in your side hustle journey. Step 3. Create a business plan. Creating a business plan is an essential step for anyone looking to start a side hustle. A business plan will help you stay organized, focused, and on track to achieving your goals. It will also serve as a roadmap for your side hustle, guiding you through the challenges and helping you make informed decisions along the way. Start by defining your business goals and objectives. What do you hope to achieve with your side hustle? Determine your target audience and develop a marketing strategy to reach them. Consider the unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition and identify the resources and tools you will need to get started. A well-crafted business plan will provide you with a clear direction for your side hustle, allowing you to allocate your time and resources effectively. With a solid plan in place, you will be well equipped to navigate the entrepreneurial journey and increase your chances of success. Remember, a business plan is a living document that should be reviewed and updated regularly. As your side hustle evolves, so too should your plan. Be flexible and adaptable, and don't be afraid to make changes as needed. With dedication and perseverance, you will be well on your way to building a successful side hustle. Step 4. Take action. Taking action is the most important step towards turning your side hustle into a reality. Procrastination can be a common obstacle, but it is crucial to overcome this and start taking steps towards your goal. Begin by breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make the process less daunting. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Reward your progress and use it as motivation to keep moving forward. It is also important to seek support and guidance from others. Connect with other entrepreneurs and learn from their experiences. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice when needed. Taking action is the first step towards success. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of creating something new and exciting. With determination and persistence, you will be well on your way to turning your side hustle into a thriving business. Step 5. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. Don't expect to become an overnight success and be patient with yourself throughout the process. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but it is important to remain persistent and not give up. It's okay to feel frustrated or discouraged at times, but it's important to remember that success rarely comes easy. Use any setbacks as learning opportunities and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay focused on your goals and believe in yourself. Success is possible with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Remember, great things take time to build, and the effort you put in today will pay off in the future. Stay positive and don't give up on your dreams. In conclusion, starting a side hustle can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. By following these 5 actionable steps, you will be well on your way to turning your passion into profit. Remember to find something you are passionate about, do your research, create a business plan, take action, and be patient and persistent. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and live a life that you are excited about. Don't wait any longer to start your side hustle journey. Take the first step today and see where it takes you. You never know what opportunities and adventures await you on the other side of the hustle. So go forth, embrace the challenge, and create the future you envision for yourself. Good luck and happy hustling. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content, and check out these related videos that you might find useful. We wish you all the best in your side hustle journey and look forward to seeing you in our next video.